Hi, my name's Stefan, and I want to welcome you to the Kindle Money Mastery website. On this website, I'm going to reveal to you my proven step-by-step method to making 6 figures passive income online with Amazon and Kindle. Now, before I get into that, let me first tell you a little bit about myself. Now, I'm not one of these internet gurus that hides behind a computer screen and has this elaborate PowerPoint presentation that's focused on scamming you. I'm a real person making real money online, and I'm going to be as open and transparent with you as possible about exactly how much money I'm making with Kindle and exactly how you can do the same as well. Now, I've been doing online marketing for a few years now, and I've done almost everything out there. I've done affiliate marketing, I've done search engine optimization, I have 6 products on ClickBank that I sell that are different ebooks under different pen names. I also have a successful blog called projectlifemastery.com. And if you go on there, you can see that I'm a real person. I have thousands of followers and subscribers. And if you watch my YouTube channel, you'll see that I'm just a real guy that's focused on helping people. The reason why I got attracted to making money with Kindle in the first place is because out of all the methods that I've done with making money online, I've discovered that making money with Kindle is by far the easiest way to make money online. In fact, you could literally publish a book today and then tomorrow be making passive income from that book. And you don't need to know internet marketing or technical computer stuff or web design or copywriting or search engine optimization or graphics or anything like that. In fact, you don't even have to write your own books. With my method, I'm going to show you how you can outsource this entire process and hire other people to write your own books for you for as low as $22 for a book, and to get the e-covers done for as low as $2.50 for a cover. Now let me tell you the story about how I exactly got into making money with Kindle. I have a few products on a website called clickbank.com. And they're different ebooks that are different home remedies and treatments for different skin conditions. And about 2 years ago, I took those ebooks and I put them up on Kindle. And I ended up making about $200-300 a month from those books without really even doing anything. And I knew there's a lot of potential there. In fact, Kindle has grown 119% every single year. And digital ebooks by far outsell physical paperback books by far. And this is just an upward trend because more and more people are consuming information in a digital format. If you look at computers and iPhones and Androids and iPads and the Kindle readers and Kobo and Nook, it's just growing and growing and growing, and more people are consuming ebooks than physical books. And so last year I ended up taking content from my Project Life Mastery blog, rewriting it, turning them into Kindle books, and publishing them online. And I was blown away to see my income go from $300 a month up to $4,000 a month within only 3 months. And then after that, I started coaching other people how to do it through my blog. I've now coached personally over 12 people one-on-one with this Kindle money making process. I've even taught my sister how to do it, who's a stay-at-home mom and isn't really computer savvy. I have my girlfriend doing it. She has a few books published online and is making passive income from that. And even my mom, who's in her 60s and approaching retirement, she's actually into this as well, and she doesn't really know much about computers or the internet or any of that kind of stuff, and she's making money with it also. And so I personally now make 6 figures online doing this stuff, and I decided to create a program teaching people how to do it with everything that I know called Kindle Money Mastery. Kindle Money Mastery is a membership site that consists of over 20 video tutorial lessons that breaks down step by step exactly how I make money online with Kindle. In fact, you get to see me create, publish, market, and even make money from a book from scratch. And I even have follow-up videos where you get to see exactly how much money I'm making from this book over the course of a few weeks and a few months. I also have templates that go along with different parts of the process that you can just copy and paste, or you can send a book template to the writers that's already pre-formatted for you. Each lesson has downloadable PDF reports that goes into each lesson in summary, and it has a specific exercise for you to take action on. And I also have bonus videos on how to automate and outsource the entire process, how to set goals with your Kindle business, how you can overcome laziness, procrastination, and stay motivated with this process, because that's a challenge that a lot of people face with starting anything new. And I also have a bonus video on how you can scale up this process in business and publish 5 to 10 books a week like I do. The program also includes a private Facebook group community of other Kindle marketers that have been through the program that you can exchange ideas with, get help from. They'll review your books, they'll even help promote your books, and help you succeed with this entire process. This program is by far the best Kindle money-making program out there, and I know this and can say this because I've been through every other product and program out there. Kindle Money Mastery is always being updated with the freshest, newest content. In fact, I'm so confident with this program and the quality of it, and that's going to make a difference for you, that I'm willing to offer you a 60-day money-back guarantee so that you can try it out and see for yourself how it works for you. And if you don't like it, you can get your money back. So I encourage you to check out the rest of this website, check out the testimonials below of other people that have been through the program, and take action to take advantage of this Kindle money-making opportunity. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the inside.